Today I'll be preparing a sort of organic oil because I'll be using hibiscus flowers, tulsi leaves and curry leaves. It's very good for the growth of the hair and it even keeps the dandruff away. I wanted to share this recipe with you all. So let's get started. These are hibiscus flowers, whichever you get, white, pink, yellow. They are tulsi leaves, some of them with their buds and stems. This is aloe vera, very fresh and juicy, pulpy, it's washed and we have just chopped it. And there are curry leaves, again they're also fresh, not the dried ones. And this is methi dana or uluva, which we'll be using 1 spoon in this. And this is pure coconut oil. You have to blend all these items in the mixie. So there's no rocket science, we're just going to put it in this. I'm not removing the stems either, because as it is we're going to strain it in the end. Good paste of it. Okay. Here's the aloe vera. Then here we have the curry leaves. And 1 teaspoon you can take of methi dana or uluva. So now we're just going to grind this. Okay. So you see it's not grinded. We have some of the leaves or into a fine paste, little bit chunks of that. So now just heat this. (500 ml of oil), not piping hot, but we are going to heat it. And you have to make it on sim, and then slowly we'll add this. Okay. Yeah, we'll keep this stirring this on sim till half an hour. It will be on the gas, and after that we'll switch it off and let the oil remain in this vessel only overnight, and the next day by noon or evening you can strain it and use it, so that the entire essence of all the leaves and everything goes in there. The longer you can keep it, even 1 day, 2 days in the same vessel, it's good. Now it's become like 20 minutes. So I'm going to switch off the gas. You can see it has gone to the bottom. It's not on the surface. So now we are going to cover this oil and we will keep it overnight. And the next day we can strain it and we can use it. So that all its properties go inside the oil. Strain it this way. Here the oil is ready after 2 days after keeping it overnight. So we got all the properties of hibiscus, aloe vera, curry leaves, methi dana. We should have the application once a week, and after applying it, we should wash our hair away with a shampoo. Thank you.